In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste in MediBang Paint. Now to do this, there's a bunch of different ways. If you want to copy and paste a layer, you want to go over here on the right where you can see your layers. If you can't see them, go to Window up top and then click on Layer from here. And then you want to just select the layer and then press Ctrl and C on your keyboard, which is going to copy it, and then press Ctrl and V on your keyboard, which is going to paste it. And as you can see, we have two layers which are copies. I can now go and press Ctrl and V again, and I'm gonna get as many copies as I want, okay? That's the first way to actually do it. Now, the second way would be to actually copy just a part of your image over here or whatever you've created. So to do this, you can go and select any of these selection tools. If I go and select this one, for example, and if I want to copy just this part, you want to make a selection. And then when selection is created, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard, and then Ctrl and V. And as you can see, only that part is going to be copied as a separate layer over here, okay? Now that's the second way you could do this. Then of course you could also do the entire thing. So if you have like an image or something, you could simply click on that layer where the image is and press Ctrl and T on your keyboard. It's gonna get selected like this, and you can then just go and press Ctrl C, and then as you can see, you can apply or not. I'm not gonna click apply, and then you can, when you do that, you'll be able to paste it as well, just like that, okay? So that's the easiest way to copy and paste in MediBang Paint, by either selecting layers or making selections with any of these selection tools, and then using Ctrl and C for copying and Ctrl and V for pasting. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.